If anyone is experiencing any issues related to loading sections on Elementor while trying to update any elements on the website, if you see this running screen on your end and if it doesn't end, these are the recommended steps to resolve issues like this. So first thing you need to do is just to right click on the web page, right click, click on inspect. After clicking on inspect, highlight your mouse on this section. This section describes div ID Elementor dash panel state loading section. So you just need to remove this section on the elements to resolve the issue, just like what I'm going to do right now. Er, Exit out, and it's already been sorted out. So that's how you resolve issues similar to this one. Thank you.